So this one has also just need to make it a little bit